This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Nielsen data. First, understand that Nielsen provides crucial consumer insights, helping businesses make informed decisions. It offers a comprehensive view of market trends, consumer behavior, and media consumption across various industries. You'll learn to navigate its platforms to access valuable information, from sales figures to audience demographics, empowering you to understand your target market with greater precision and depth. Next, explore essential Nielsen metrics like market share and sales volume. Understand the difference between syndicated reports, which offer broad industry overviews, and custom reports tailored to specific business needs. Learn to interpret data visualizations such as bar charts and trend lines, which can reveal a 10% increase in sales or a 5-point shift in market share. These tools are vital for tracking performance and identifying key opportunities. Now, let's apply these insights. Use Nielsen data to optimize marketing strategies, refine product development, and identify new market opportunities. For instance, you can pinpoint consumer segments showing a 20% growth in interest or assess the effectiveness of advertising campaigns, potentially revealing a 15% boost in brand recall. This data-driven approach helps you make strategic decisions that directly impact your business's success and competitive edge. Finally, adopt best practices for using Nielsen data effectively. Always cross-reference information to ensure accuracy and focus on specific business questions to guide your analysis. Regularly update your knowledge to stay current with market shifts and evolving consumer behaviors. Combining Nielsen insights with your internal data provides a holistic view, allowing you to make well-rounded decisions and maintain a strong competitive position in the marketplace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.